Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday card. And for that what you need is your pencil, eraser, paper, some glue and some paint. So let's get started with your birthday card. So what I took a paper, like a regular paper, so make sure it's a watercolor paper, and then you have to fold it half. For making a card you have to fold it half. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first try to match those sides. So both the side, make sure it matched perfectly, both the sides, and then you place your thumb here, both the side, just press it down and make sure you just do it very neat. All right, so we are done with we're ready with our card. So now when you're gonna start sketching or start painting, make sure it opens at the right side. Do not do this way. Do not do this way, okay? So make sure it's opening. The closed edge will be on your left side and the open side on the right side. So let's get started with our sketching. So first I'm gonna draw some candles here. So you can make a nice small line. Do it at the bottom side of your paper because we'll write the happy birthday at the top. So I'm gonna make one candle over here, and for that what I did, I'm making two vertical line and one small horizontal line. Very good. And you can make actually different shapes, but do not make them too small or too big. If they are a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger, it's okay. Just repeat those all the way over here. You can make 4 or 5 of them. That should be perfect. And don't make too thin because when we're gonna color it, you have to have some room inside that. Alrighty, so I made like 5 of them over here. And for the flame, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a U shape first and then connect the U shape with a little A. See, you do a U shape here and then connect it with a smaller A shape. Just don't make the lines inside that A. Other than you just do the same thing. You repeat the same thing for all of them. Beautiful. Now I'm going to write happy birthday here, and for that you can write the way you want to write it. And I wrote the happy at the top and the birthday we'll do at the bottom. Leave this space a little bit because we will add the balloons here. Okay, Okay, so if you are gifting it to your friend whose name, you can just add the name over here, and I'm just leaving it blank. You can just add the name, any name you want. All right, so we're done pretty much with this. I'm going to trace my Sharpie and I will trace the line. Okay, I'm tracing the candles here, but while you trace the candle, make sure you don't trace the flames. Okay, you just trace the candles. We're almost done tracing. After tracing, what you're going to do, you take your eraser and erase all the extra lines you have. Now I'm gonna color over here. I don't want to show you any colors for the candles. You can color it whatever color you want. You can just make it in the same color. You can make it different colors. It's totally up to you. So I'm using any color, like, so don't worry about the color. So use your favorite color. You can repeat the color. If you don't want to repeat the color, don't repeat the colors. I created a pattern here. So if you want to create some pattern with your colors, do it. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Perfect, very good. Now for the flame, what I'm gonna do, I'll take my yellow and then first color all of them with the yellow. Fill the entire flame with the yellow. One more left. Make sure you stay inside. Color does not go too much outside. Very good. Now you can just wash your brush and take just a tiny bit of orange and then add some orange at the bottom of the flame, just a little bit. See, I'm making some curved line and adding it at the bottom. So you can totally keep it like that and just write whatever you want to write inside. But if you want to add something extra, so we will add some balloons as well. Okay, so let's start with the balloon now. Now I took a small piece of paper, and what I'm gonna do here, I'll make some balloons inside. So I'll make maybe 3 of them. So what do? You make a curved line. It's like an oval shape, but the top part will be a little bit more wider than the bottom part. So you can make balloons anywhere you want. Perfect, very good. Now you don't have to trace that with anything. You just take your watercolor and then what you do, you add some water inside first. Do it one balloon at a time. So add some water and then you can just add any color you want. Maybe one color, it can be one color, or it could be 2 colors. You can add some, suppose I'm adding some yellow on the other side. Very good. Can you do the same thing on the other one? Add some water first. Very good. And then you just add any color you want to add inside. This one I'm making like just one color, so that's absolutely fine. Making my 3rd balloon, and I want to make it red. probably I'm gonna use a little bit of yellow inside. That's it. And then now we have to wait this one until it's dry. It's completely dry, so you can cut it with your scissors, okay? And in the meantime, when it's drying, we'll add some lines over here. And for that, you can take your pencil, and what I'm doing here, I'm making some curvy lines. Just a couple of them, and make someone like, some of them bigger, some of them smaller. And then definitely you take your Sharpie and you trace it with your Sharpie. Very nice. Then you take your eraser and erase those extra lines. And you need to have your glue to stick the balloons. And if make sure your balloons are dry, you can start cutting them out. So I've started cutting my balloons. So I have cut my balloons, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some glue in the back side. So you can use your regular school glue, or if you have a stick glue, you can use that one as well. And you add them over here. Very nice. One, and then I'm gonna add my second one. You can just overlap it and do it. So one on the left side, one on the right side, I added, and then I'm gonna add one at the top here, just pretty much in the middle. Very good. Let me know how you like this card, and then if you like it, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely go and subscribe. And make sure you have to make it very dry, and otherwise it will stick together. Okay, so make sure it's dry completely. Okay, all right, I'm gonna see you in my next episode. Bye bye.
You guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.